Let me start by asking you a quick question. Are you already making $100K a year working from home part-time? If you are, then you can skip this video. If you're not, keep watching, because in this video, I'm going to reveal the secrets to making money online. In this free affiliate marketing course, you'll discover the secrets you need to know to make 6 figures a year or more online with affiliate marketing. I'm also going to share with you a high-ticket affiliate program that pays you $1,000 commissions per sale, so make sure you watch this entire video until the end, because I'll also show you what 3 niche markets you need to be in to make the most money online. You'll also learn how to choose and dial in your perfect avatar, and you don't want to mess that up. More about that in just a second. You'll also discover the secret to the best type of products to promote, how to set up a proper automated affiliate funnel, and free traffic sources that you can use starting today to generate free leads. And I'll also share with you a few of the top tools you'll use to automate the entire process so that it works for you on autopilot 24/7. If you're ready to start an online business with low startup costs compared to what it would cost to start a traditional brick and mortar business that you can start part-time from home, then make sure you watch this entire video, because it's pure content and zero fluff. I'll get straight to the point, only share with you the secrets that you need to know to get off to a fast start. First, let me say this video is not for everyone. This is not a get-rich-quick strategy. This is for people who are serious about starting an online business and who are prepared to put in 1 or 2 hours per day to get started. Now, if that sounds like you, smash that like button and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. All right, really quick, if you're new to the channel, a little bit about me. My name is Beckta, and I've been doing affiliate marketing for the last 15 years, and I've simplified everything I've learned over the years into this one short free affiliate marketing course. Now, I used to charge hundreds of dollars for the secrets that I'm sharing with you for free today in this video. So why would I want to share these secrets with you for free? Because fortunately, I've earned enough money online over the years that I'm in a financial position today to be able to share this information with you for free. So don't make the mistake of not valuing the secrets I'm about to share with you just because this is a free video on YouTube. Let's get right into it. I'll break this free affiliate marketing course into 5 simple steps, and if you follow them, by the end of this video, you'll have the formula for a successful affiliate marketing business that you can run from the comfort of your home. All right, let's get into it. Step 1, choose one of these 3 hot markets that you're the most interested in. If you're more passionate about one of these 3 markets I'm about to mention, you'll be more successful if you choose that particular niche. Here are the big top 3 markets where the majority of money is being spent online. 1, wealth. 2, health. 3, relationships. Each of these 3 markets have smaller sub-niches within them. For example, in the wealth market, it could be making money online, it could be affiliate marketing, it could be cryptocurrency, investing. In the health market, it could be six-pack abs, dieting, keto diet specifically, anti-aging, anything that makes people look and feel better about themselves. In the relationship and dating market, it could be dating tips, or it could be how to improve your marriage. So pick one niche market and a sub-niche within that market that you are the most interested in, and I'll get into why that's important in just a second. Now, step 2, zero in on your avatar, and the more specific you can be, the better. You have to think about what some of their pain points might be, and in the wealth market, maybe they hate their day job, or maybe they want to get out of debt quickly. In the health market, maybe they're struggling to lose weight, or they want to look younger. In the relationship niche, maybe they want to improve the communication in their marriage. Maybe they want to get better at dating, or maybe they want to be a better parent. Now, when you have a good idea of their pain points, then you want to choose a gender and age of your avatar and speak to that one person in all of your marketing. So more about that in just a moment, so stay tuned for that. Now, step 3, once you've chosen a market and you've dialed in your perfect avatar, then you'll want to look for one core high-ticket product that solves your avatar's biggest problem. Affiliate marketing is about being in the solution business. You'll see what I mean in just a second. Now, step 4, you need to set up a proper affiliate bridge funnel with an automated follow-up email sequence with at least 10 pre-written emails that go out automatically after someone subscribes to your email list. More about how to do that in just a moment, so stick around for that. Now, step 5 is to create free, valuable content that is related to your avatar's core problem. That is what you'll use to attract your perfect avatar, who you can then refer to your high-ticket affiliate product that you're promoting. Now, does that make sense? If it does, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, now that you have an overview of the affiliate marketing strategy, strategy you're going to use, let's quickly break down what you need to do in order to get your affiliate marketing business up and running as quickly as possible. And to make things a little easier for you, if you stick around until the end of the video, I'll also give you access to a pre-built affiliate bridge funnel with everything you need to get up and running as fast as possible. So stick around for that. Okay, let's quickly walk through an affiliate bridge funnel that you'll use to promote your high-ticket affiliate product. I should mention that you should also have 2 or 3 other affiliate programs with recurring revenue related to your core product that you can also promote as well in your affiliate email follow-up sequence. More about that in a second. I'll explain how it works in just a moment, and it'll become a little more clear for you. Here's what an affiliate bridge funnel looks like. It's just a few simple web pages, and that's it. It's really quite simple if you look at it. Remember, I'll give you the secrets in this video that make it all work. So listen closely to the value bombs I'm going to share with you throughout this video. All right, let's go back to your avatar and their pain points for a moment. Now, what kind of free thing can you create that will help solve one of their key problems? That's why it's important to really know your avatar. Now, let's say, for example, you're in the affiliate marketing space and you create a short free traffic cheat sheet or checklist to help your prospects get more free traffic to their affiliate links. That's what you should be thinking. What can you create? Small, free, helpful. It has to be something small and easy to consume, and it has to appear to be valuable so that your prospects can't believe that they're getting it for free. It's often referred to as a lead magnet or an opt-in bribe, where you give something away for free in exchange for your prospect's email. That is why understanding your avatar and their specific pain points is super important, because then you can tailor that lead magnet a little bit better. Now remember, once you have your lead magnet, which could be a cheat sheet, a checklist, a free video, you then set up your lead capture page, which redirects to a bridge page after they subscribe to your email list. The bridge page warms them up and transitions to the high-ticket affiliate product that you're promoting. Now, 90% of the people will not buy the offer the first time you present it to them. They'll need more information before they can make a decision if it's right for them or not. This is where email follow-up series comes in, because it allows you to deliver more valuable content to your subscriber and to build a relationship with them over time. People buy from other people that they know, like, and trust. So this follow-up email series will help you to develop your relationship with your new subscriber. Now, the first few emails should be a welcome email telling them a bit about yourself, and the next email or 2 should be a content email, and then emails 3 through 5 would be back to your main affiliate offer. So it's a good idea not to just pitch in every email, and stick to your core product for the first 10 emails. Then after that, you can go through your automated email sequence and add some of those back-end offers that we talked about, and then move them to a broadcast email list where you send out 1 or 2 emails a week with different offers, and also with any free content that you might have created since the last email that you sent out. You should have links in your email and on your free content to these other offers as well. Now that you have a general idea of the strategy, let's get a little more into the free content and the different places you can use to attract your perfect avatar. Now, search traffic generally converts better than, say, a Facebook ad that targets a broad audience. If someone types something into Google, which is the #1 search engine, like best diet to lose weight fast, and then they see a blog post or a YouTube video, then it signals that they're looking for a solution to a particular problem. Again, knowing your avatar is really important. Now, does that make sense to you? Because if it does, hit that like button and subscribe. Okay, let's go over the top 6 places for you to attract targeted free traffic to your affiliate offers. Now, number 1 is Google. You can create a blog post with a lead magnet in the sidebar or a pop-up box. Number 2, YouTube. You can create a YouTube channel specific to the niche you're in. Number 3, TikTok is super hot right now, and it's probably the easiest place on the internet to get traffic and grow your following really quickly for free. Now, number 4, Instagram is another great way to get free traffic with image posts and also video reels. You could reuse your TikTok videos on Instagram. Number 5, Facebook groups with organic posts are another great way to get traffic. And number 6, a podcast. Great if you prefer talking over writing and if you don't feel like shooting videos. I know several people with very successful podcasts that make 6 and 7 figures with just a podcast alone. Now, here's another bonus traffic source that works in some niches, and that's Pinterest, which I already briefly mentioned, although their audience is mainly 80% women, so keep that in mind if you're using Pinterest. Pick one traffic source to start with, and then branch out with your marketing, and here's a strategy you should be using. You can repurpose your content to reach a wider audience and save yourself a ton of time. Now, there's entire courses about this one topic, but I'll give you the short version in this video. Here's how it works. Step 1, you write a script for a video for YouTube, for example, and then you use the written script for a blog post or a podcast. You then shoot a YouTube video with the script, obviously, export it and upload it to YouTube. Now, once you've uploaded it, you can take that YouTube video and embed it on your blog post to increase the time that people spend on your blog. And you can also use the video on Facebook as well. Now, once you have that video exported, you can bring it back into your editor and you can chop it up into several smaller videos and use those on TikTok and Instagram. That way you get wider distribution of the same piece of content over several different platforms, and it doesn't take much extra time on your part. Now, I know you may be thinking you don't know what type of content to create, so just think about what your perfect avatar would be searching for on the internet, and that'll give you some key ideas. Also look at the competitors in your market as well. Now, spend a week or two learning everything you can about that topic that would help solve their biggest problem, and then start creating content about what you've just learned. If you spend a week or two dialed into finding solutions to your avatar's biggest problems, you'll know more than 90% of the people out there, and you'll feel more confident in the content that you're creating. Once again, that's why it's super important to understand who your avatar is and what they need help with. To be a successful affiliate marketer, it's about 80% mindset and 20% effort. Your progress in the beginning is going to be a little slow, but as time progresses, you'll start to grow your traffic, subscribers, and followers. Or you could be like everyone else and look for an easier way and just end up watching and reading other people's content like this video you're watching right now. Let me ask you a question. Who do you think makes more money? Creators or consumers? Doers or dreamers? Of course, it's the creators and the doers. I don't want to lecture you, but I think it's pretty obvious. Once you start creating and putting content out there, you'll see things starting to work better for you. Now let's talk for a moment about what types of products you should be promoting as an affiliate to maximize your sales. Now, you should be sticking to digital information products and digital software products. They both have larger profit margins than physical products, which means higher commissions for you, and they both have to be purchased online versus the ability to buy it in the store as well. So that makes it more likely for you to make a sale online. Now, there's tons of different affiliate networks out there, but if you're just starting out, you should only focus on one affiliate network for now. And if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll share one affiliate program that pays you $1,000 commissions, so make sure you hang around for that. Now, one affiliate network you may be familiar with is ClickBank, and I've been a top ClickBank seller, also a top ClickBank affiliate, and it's definitely a great affiliate network to find digital products in different niche markets. I started on ClickBank way back in 2007, and today the network is larger than ever. And what's great about it is you can count on getting paid regularly, and there's some very smart marketers on that platform who know how to market products, so they do a great job of converting your prospects into sales. Although it may not seem like it, I know copywriters who've written sales letters for marketers on ClickBank that start at 10 grand a sales letter and go up from there. And I've personally spent over 40 grand on hiring copywriters over the years. So make sure whatever offer you're promoting has great sales copy. That's the key to conversions. Or you'll end up wasting your time and effort trying to promote offers that don't convert. Now, here's a tip that will help you if you follow it. Pick one sub-niche market, one core product, one traffic source, one funnel with an email series to start. Just focus on one thing. Then add a few related affiliate products later in your automated email sequence, preferably products that pay you a recurring commission, obviously related to their problems. Now, focus on creating free, valuable content on one platform to start, and try using the content repurposing strategy I mentioned earlier in the video. That will save you a ton of time. Now, spend any spare time you have refining your market. Now, what I mean by that is you should be split testing your landing pages, so you create two different landing pages and see which one converts. So the traffic goes to one page and the next, and you pick the one with the highest conversion rate. I'll post a link to the software that I use that makes split testing super simple for you in the description box below this video. You should also be testing to make sure your emails end up in the primary tab of Gmail instead of the promotions tab. You should also be monitoring your email open rates and moving people on your email list that are not engaged to another list called, say, disengaged, and then send them specific emails in a re-engagement sequence to try to get them re-engaged and put them back on your main list. Disengaged subscribers who do not open your emails will hurt your future email deliverability. Those are just a few advanced ideas. There's a lot of little tweaks you can make to improve your conversion rate, but the key is to get the basic affiliate bridge funnel in place first. Now, once you start creating content and generating traffic, then you can keep your eye on your metric and create a plan to optimize each aspect of your funnel. And if you want to get off to a fast start, I have a pre-built funnel that you can import and start using right away. More about that in just a second. You can also get a copy of my free super affiliate checklist. Just look for the link in the description box below this video. It's called the Secret to quitting your day job. Look for that after this video. Now, by the way, if you're not already a subscriber, I release 2 new videos a week showing you different ways to make money online. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Go ahead right now, subscribe, hit that bell. Also hit that like if you haven't already. Okay, one last tip. If you follow this formula and you stay consistent day after day, you'll begin to see results. And once you do, it'll give you that fuel and that momentum to keep you going. Now take some time and get everything set up and be patient and you'll see success. Everyone starts in the exact same place as you are right now. Now, I've been marketing primarily in the photo and video niche for the last 6 or 7 years now, just because it's something that I enjoy geeking out on. But on December 6th, I just started a new YouTube channel, a new TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, so that I could start sharing some of the marketing secrets that I've learned over the last 15 years of promoting products both as an affiliate and as a product creator in several different niche markets. So I know exactly how you feel about starting from scratch. It can be overwhelming, but we all start 0 followers in a new niche market, and it's the people that get off the couch and start hustling that are the ones that are successful online. Now, once you get started and stay consistent, you'll start to see the momentum grow for yourself. All right, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button right now and share this video with someone who you think needs it. Also, if you're not already a subscriber, I think I mentioned this earlier, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. And if you haven't already, smash that like button before you go. Now, thanks for sticking around for the whole video. And remember, you can get access to the pre-built, ready-made affiliate bridge funnel in the description box just below this video. So check that out before you go as well. All right, thanks again for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next video.